tutorial I'll show you how to install Hyper-V. I'll also tell you what is the minimum requirements for running a Hyper-V on your Windows 10 PC. Okay, let's start. If you go to the Microsoft website, here they are posting a article about the requirements of Hyper-V in your system. Okay, the minimum requirements also should, you have to install your Windows if you have a edition in enterprise, professional and education, and only you can use it, and you can't use it in your home edition, mobile edition and mobile enterprise. And also keep in mind that you have to 64-bit processor with second level address translation, and also you have to more important thing, you have to minimum 4 megabyte 4 GB memory on your means RAM. Okay, it's the basic requirements, and once if you have all the things, and you can run in your Windows. Okay, to enable this feature you have to go to the control panel. Okay, I already enable it, but I am showing you. Okay, just control panel, and then from here click on programs. Okay, then as you can see there a option, turn Windows feature on or off. Click here and please wait, and okay, and from here when you are going to enable your Hyper-V, you have to click check here and then okay, yeah, press it, and after that you have to restart your PC. And if you unable to check this option, you have to change your BIOS setting, and you can enable the Hyper-V management tool and also Hyper-V platform. Okay, after that just search on here Hyper-V, and you will see the Hyper-V manager. Okay, click here. I already installed one PC like Windows 7. When you are okay, when you are going to create a okay double running, okay, I have to close it. Close. Okay, as you can see there is already Windows 7. Let's start connect. I'll show you how to create a VM on Hyper-V manager. Okay, let's start. I'm using 4 GB RAM, that's why it's a little bit slow, but I think you are using more than 4 GB RAM, and it will smoothly, okay, smoothly open. Okay, I think it's better for you that if I just show you how to create a VM on your Hyper-V. Okay, I'm just turning off it. Okay, and when you are going to create a Hyper-V on your VM on your Hyper-V, just click on server manager. Like I have a desktop like F485 etc etc. Okay, just right click here and then new, and then virtual machine. Okay, I'm clicking it on it, and then just next. Okay, you have a name just like, okay, Windows uh, 8, or you, whatever you want to, you just name it. Okay, and then you have to choose the store virtual machine in a different location. By default, uh, it's uh, it's on C drive in your hard disk. Okay, and I'm going to use the different location, or maybe not, or maybe okay, just browse, and then I have to choose. I'm going to uh, store here. Okay, entertainment. Okay, just okay, as you can see, there is already a VM folder. Okay, just I am selecting the VM folder. After that, I'm just clicking next. And one more important thing, generation 1 and generation 2. My PC doesn't support generation 2. My PC is also support generation 1. That's why I'm taking this generation 1 and then next. Okay, you have to mention your RAM here, but keep in mind that uh, it's better for as you can see, I'm using 4 gigabyte RAM. That's why I'm taking at 2 GB RAM, like that, 2048. And please check it here, because if you uncheck it, it will fix the RAM and it will hamper your main operating system when when your operating system needs meaning this Windows 10 needs more RAM, then you have to face some problem. That's why just use dynamic memory for this virtual machine, and it will use only for what they need. Only they need. If you if your VM need 1 GB, then it used 1 GB only. Okay, just it's better for check it. Okay, then next, if you have already on your like SAN manager, like switch, if you have a virtual switch, you can connect or you can connect it later. It's okay, just I will connect it later. Okay, and then next. Okay, and just I'm taking its a maximum. You can see we are taking BSDX, and it's the limitation. You can maximum size, you can mention 64 terabyte, and I'm taking 1 to 7 gigabyte. Okay, uh, and then just I'm going to just next. Okay, this is also I can do it later, but okay, just next and next. As you can see, it's finishalizing. Okay, and this is our previously I created this Windows 7 VM, and when I connect, it will like open a operating system, but in this newly created Windows 10 VM, it's not happening like that, because I didn't install the OS. I have to install OS. Okay, okay, I'm just turning off it, because I'm using only 4 GB RAM in my hard disk. Okay, in my computer. Okay, I have to select the ISO file. For that I have to click in sitting here, and then from I have to click IDE controller 1, and as you can see there is a DVD drive. I'm clicking here and I'm going to select image file, like I have to already 3 image file, this image file. Okay, I'm going to install Windows 10, and I'm select the file and click here open. Okay, and then apply, and then okay. When I'm going to connect the VM, it's show when we are going to use when we are going to install a operating system in a newly computer, it show like that. Okay, just I'm turning on and connecting. Okay, just okay. Okay, it's loaded. Okay, after that you have to use several things to install this VM on your Hyper-V manager, but I'm not going to do this because it's take a time. I know you can do this. For now I'm showing you more advanced features, like okay I have a VM, but as you can see there is no internet because I didn't connect it with any virtual switch or any internet. How can we do this? Okay, uh, now we're going to create a switch, because how can we connect with VM with our main PC? As you can see there is an internet connection, but in our VM there is no internet connection. Okay, I'm showing it's take a time because I'm using 4 GB RAM on my PC, that's why it's take little bit time. Okay, uh, okay, I'm just minimizing it. As you can see there is a virtual switch manager. This area is for only our VM settings, and these settings are only for our VM. Okay, Windows 7, as you can see there is a Windows 7. If you select here it will change, and it's Windows 10. Okay, I'm just uh, I'm just okay, I'm just using it. Okay, it's made. Okay, okay, welcome. Okay, okay, let's try. Okay, it's opening. It's open. Okay, and if I if I if I, if I want to see there is any network connection or not. Okay, I know there is no internet connection on my VM. As you can see there is no internet connection, and okay, I am going to create a connection between VM and on my OS. Okay, as you can see there only when I okay, there are, this is our connection. Okay, okay, this is our VM. There is no internet connection. I'm going to connect internet, and what you need to do this for this task, you have to click the virtual switch manager here. Okay, and then in Hyper-V manager In Hyper-V there is three switches. We can create three switches: internal, external, and private. If you create a external if you create an external switch, then you can communicate with internet. And if you create a internet, you have to communicate with your LAN. If you create private, you have to only you have to connect with your VM machines and your operating system, like that. Okay, I'm going to external create a switch because I need a internet connection. Okay, just create a virtual switch. Okay, and then we can name it. Okay, I'm going to name it v connection. Okay. Okay, then just here is some options. My adapter is that and I'm using only one. Sorry to control. I'm just by default, what am I using it? I'm just taking it. Okay, then here is another option, enable virtual LAN identifier for. I'm just uncheck it. Okay, because I have any VLAN. Okay, just apply, and it's a pop-up. There's a may problem some in your okay in your VM. Okay, just I'm going to yes, and it's take a little bit time to applying these changes. As you can see, there is a okay I'm okay there is maybe where we can get a connection. Oh, error applying virtual switch properties failed while virtual machine switch connections. So what happened? Maybe I have to just turn off. Okay, and then I'm going to another way, creating another way, same things, virtual switch manager. Okay, then external, and then just create, apply, and then okay. Installing Microsoft Network Adapter Multi-Porter. Okay, then okay, now create it. Okay, as you can see, there is option. Okay, I have to click setting here. From here I have to select the network adapter. Okay, and then new virtual switch. Okay, then apply, and then okay. When I'm going to connect this VM, it should appear our internet connection. Okay, let's say start normally. Hyper-V is really cool things about when you have to install. Suppose you are using Windows 10 and you have to use Windows 7, Windows 8, and XP. And although if you are trying to use Linux operating system on your system, and basically this is the cool thing, because you can use several VM, like unlimited VM. Okay, we just wait, because as you can see. Okay, just opening, and then from here it should appear, because Okay, now if we see in our here another virtual, okay, another virtual Ethernet, this is the another virtual switch. Okay, it's a network cable unplugged. Okay, um, okay, let's see what happened. Okay, I think it's need to install a driver software, and then I can able to. Okay, this is not solution. I have to install the Windows. Uh, what happened? Okay, maybe I have to install the driver software, then I'm able to do this, but I don't know what happened on Windows 7 because I'm not using Windows 7 now. Now I'm Windows. I'm okay. Disable. Okay, and now uh, okay, this is not this this, this shouldn't happen because already we are the setting. Okay, we are going to create a new virtual switch from here, and it's an internal. Okay, let's see what happened. And now from here, okay, mainly thing this is the shit, I have to name it like, okay, I'm going to again I'm going to open another internal, suppose 2222. Okay, and then apply, and then okay, that's why I'm just mark it as a as a internal switch. Okay, just setting. Okay, maybe, okay, not okay, let's try again. Okay, just apply, then okay, and then connect. It's maybe working. Okay, yeah, working, it's working. Okay, just into what, just disable it and then enable again it. Okay, let's see another thing on here, because so many things in here you have to know about that. Okay, suppose you have to create a VHD on your on the 7, or on your suppose uh, okay, then you have to what ca- what can we do this, how can we do this, and suppose right click here and then new, and then hard disk. we are going to create a hard disk. Okay, next, and here you can see there is a three option: VHD, VHDX, VHD set. And as you can see there all a small description here, but I'm going to create a VHDX. Okay, like here, and then dynamically expand. It's better for use dynamically as expand. And then here, and then you can mention a name here. I'm going to nothing it, just next. And then as you can see there, physical drive has uh, actually actually 500 gigabyte, and has supported is 465 gigabyte. I am creating only like 10 GB. Okay, then just next here, and then finish here. I am not creating any disks because it's I'm using a very low hard disks. That's why I'm not going to create any hard disks. Okay, okay, there okay, it's connected, but it hasn't from here we can't access any internet because we are connected now internal switch. That's why we can do it. Okay, but we're connected now with a virtual virtual switch manager. Okay, and also you can edit your disk that you are creating before from here. Okay, and there is a message, if you edit it, the virtual hard disk might result in data loss. That's why I'm better is no create any no edit this. Okay, and if we try again for sorry for maybe this is the external. Okay, sorry, I have to click only one. Okay, okay, maybe has some problem on my OS operating system, which is original operating system. Okay, just okay, one more thing. If you remove this server from here, just remove server, but keep it in mind your virtual hard disk, you have to delete it manually because it it okay, just okay, because if you okay, if you are just remove the server and data will stored in your hard disk, so you have to manually just delete the VHDX file. Okay, here some option after creating a Windows VM on your Windows 10. Suppose you have to check a checkpoint, you have to create a checkpoint like on your Windows 10 you are going to create a restore point, and here you can create a checkpoint like that. Okay, to create maybe you have to turn off your PC. I'm just creating a no application data. Okay, it's a no application data, maybe standard disk will be created. Okay, no need to turn off. Okay, it's created. Okay, when we lost any data, and we can just recover from checkpoint. Okay. mm, okay. In this video I'll I'll going to in this video I'm going to stop this video because we need to more about uh, about for the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.